NTK is introducing a new solid ceramic end mill for machining high-temperature alloys. This new ceramic end mill will dramatically increase your productivity. NTK's end mill can machine at up to 2000 SFM, which is more than 10 times faster than commonly used carbide end mills. NTK's end mill shows strong chipping resistance as a result of its unique edge design. NTK utilized its industry-proven multi-purpose Cylon grade SX9 as the base material. SX9 has a unique combination of both wear resistance and toughness needed for milling. The flutes are specially designed and best optimized for high-temperature alloys. NTK's 4-flute end mill comes with a 35-degree helix for added toughness. The 6-flute design incorporates a 40-degree helix for better chip evacuation. NTK also developed a unique bottom cutting edge design to maximize toughness. NTK used its ceramic expertise to optimize the design for enhanced edge toughness. NTK's end mill shows much higher flaking toughness and stable machining than any existing ceramic end mills in the market. This is a typical carbide end mill process machining an HRSA material. The cutting speed is only 100 SFM, taking a long time to machine the part's face. This is NTK ceramic end mill machining the same material at 2000 SFM. Productivity is significantly improved. In this process, NTK's end mill shows a productivity improvement of 20 times versus carbide, greatly reducing the machine cycle time. NTK's 4-flute end mill is designed for slotting and pocketing milling processes. NTK's 6-flute end mill is best suited for face milling, side milling, and profiling processes.